In this video, we're going to talk about the web chat channel. From the home page, click on offline under the web chat, and you'll be immediately connected to the web chat channel. Here you can filter your view by channel. You can select a queue from the dropdown, which displays all of the queues that you have access to. You can also filter on status, new or open, and you have access to the search tool here. Filter by primary filters, the web chat, the status, the agent. The date filter allows you to search for a web chat in a specific date range, and custom filters allow you to search by contact information using the contact email, contact phone number, or if you have it, the chat ID. In this example, we will search by date range. So we'll click on the calendar and enter the start date that we want to search. We'll hit search here, and GoContact will pull up on the left-hand side a list of all of the web chats that meet that criteria. We can see the web chat, the queue, the chat ID, the client's last message date, the status, the client name, the client email, the agent assigned to that web chat, and the client's last message. If you click on a web chat here, you'll have the option to view the chat itself. To close out of that chat, simply click close in the bottom right-hand corner. To start another search, clear the filter and enter new search criteria. To go back to the main inbox, click the back arrow. In the top right corner of the page, we have two tabs, active and unread. Under active, we will have access to view the active conversations. We can see the channel, the queue name, the chat ID, the status of that web chat, the contact name, the client's last message, the client's last message date, unread messages, and the agent assigned to that web chat. The unread tab gives you access to the unread messages. You have exactly the same information. You can view the channel, the queue name, the chat ID. The status here is going to display as unread, the contact name, the client's last message, the client's last message date, the number of unread messages from that web chat, and the agent assigned. If you click on an unread message, you will have access to the history of this conversation. When a new chat comes in, you'll get a notification bubble with a number that tells you how many chats are waiting for your reply. You can see that the status is new, and if I click on it, I can see the first part of that interaction that happened automatically. From here, I can choose to reply. I can choose some advanced actions. I can mark this chat as spam. I can create a ticket, send an email, or if I'm logged into the voice channel, I can initiate a call to this customer. I can also transfer this conversation to another queue or user. So here I can see that the current queue is the default queue. As of now, there's no agent assigned to this particular chat. So here I could select the new queue that I wanted to transfer it to, or the agent that I wanted to transfer this chat to, and hit transfer. I can also view conversation information. So I can see the client's location, the client's last URL, the client's browser, and any web chat tickets associated with this client. On the left-hand side here, I can see the channel, the queue, the contact name, the status of this interaction, and also the time with which this interaction was initiated. The tabs up at the top also give me contact information pulled from our GoContact CRM, any previous conversations I've had with this client, the client view if that is enabled on my system, URL history, and the external script if available. From the main page, when I hit reply, that is going to assign this interaction to me. We can see here that Marty McFly now has joined the conversation. If you have templates assigned to your profile, you can access those by hitting hashtag, and that's going to pull up a list of templates you have to be used in this queue. And that makes your interaction with this ticket quite a bit faster. And then you hit send. And once your customer responds, you'll be able to see that information here. We can see that Biff has chosen bubble training here. If I wanted to further reply to him, I could enter that message here, or I am also able to add an attachment by clicking the paperclip. To close this interaction, I click close conversation. In order to close an interaction, you have to select a reason. So I'm going to select closed, and for this closed comment, I can just say solved. It closed, and now I've closed that interaction. To log out of the web chat channel, click log out.